Guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am so excited. So by the time this video goes up, it will be Star Wars Day. Previous years I've done I guess character makeup, but I haven't done something like this. So I'm going to be doing a character makeup like I said. I'm going to be doing Asoka Tano from the Asoka series from Clone Wars animated series. I'm actually going to be recreating the Asoka Tano from the Asoka series. So this is what we're going to try to recreate. So I think let's start with the brow, or covering up the brow. Now, I did use a glue stick for planning this look, and that didn't go very well. So I am going to use, I did see this on YouTube, some people do it, I'm going to try it. I'm going to take, I just cut a little piece off of my bald cap that I don't even use my bald cap. So I thought this would be fun to use. So we're just gonna slap it on my face and hope for the best, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do this off camera and then we can start painting the bald cap once it's on. Okay, that's the best I can do. I don't know, are you supposed to use alcohol to kind of remove it or like dissolve the edges? I think I did it wrong. Okay, this is my first time using a bald cap anyway, so it's not gonna be the greatest. Well, let's start painting. So I'm going to take my color corrector to put on that around the brows first, and then we can start actually getting the base color down. So I'm actually going to mix two foundation shades together to get that specific shade, but I'm actually going to start doing the lines on the forehead first. So I'm going to take a pencil brush like this one. This one is from Sigma. This is the eyeliner EO5 brush. I'm going to go dip into my Clara Secret concealer palette. I'm going to take this white shade. This is just for starting it, but I'm going to use another color or another white on top of this. So like I said, now I'm just starting to do the lines. It's a little too high. Oh wait, I messed up. I meant to do the little triangle thing here. I'm hoping when I put my hair down that this will be covered a little bit, but I can put some of the paint above it anyway. It's a little bit off center. Okay, now like I said, I'm going to start. Okay, I'm gonna mix two foundation shades together. So I'm gonna mix this one and that one to get the perfect skin tone shade. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and just lay it a tiny bit to my palette knife. Then I'm going to mix these two together. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to just do some like in hard to reach areas. Alright, I'm going to do this off camera really quick. I'm going to paint the entire bald cap, and then I'm going to come back and do everything else. Okay, now comes kind of the part that I kind of a little bit struggled with when trying to figure out how to do this look, is like this part of the cheek. Really hard. I think of it as like a fancy backwards F. So it looks like it starts kind of where this part of the brow part kind of ends. I can make that a little taller then. Alright, that's the best I could do. Now I have to copy that on the other side. That's actually pretty good. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the foundation with the smaller brush and just paint in the hard to reach areas. To make the white a lot more vibrant, I'm going to go in with a gel liner. I'm just going to paint around that like that. And I can also sharpen up the edges if I need to. So I was going to do that like tentacle thing. I guess they're tentacles, I don't know, for this look, but I'm not going to. So yeah, I'm going to continue painting the rest of the face. Alright, now to touch things up a little bit, I'm going to take a eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner in white. And I'm just going to go over all of the white areas that we placed. Alright, now it's time to powder everything. So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder. This one is the translucent one. And I'm just going to take pretty much a big fluffy brush and just start powdering. For the eyes, I'm going to keep it very, very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to take my Jafra eye pencil in black. I'm just going to apply it to the top lash line and create a tiny wing, a little bit of a wing. Then I'm going to set the eyeliner with my Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take black shade and just set the eyeliner. On top of that, I'm going to go to the next shade and apply that kind of right above where we place the black. I'm going to curl my lashes with my Shiseido, yes, Shiseido lash curler, and then I'm going to take the Lash Next Door mascara from Brooklyn and Bailey and apply that to the lashes. Okay, I'm not going to do anything to the bottom lashes. I just wanted to do top lash mascara. Next, for lips. It looks like she has really natural lip shades, so I'm going to take my Anastasia Lip Velvet in Crush. I feel like that's close enough to the shade of her lips. My hair covers up the corners of the bald cap, but not. That's so funny. So that's it for today's video. I absolutely love how this makeup look turned out. I mean, it's not the greatest, but I did my best. And I don't know, I kind of like it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!